So while I'm here, I went to get some coconuts. I also went to drop a shoe for to repair. I mean, you saw the video of the shoe repair, right? The shoemaker. In Ghana, we call it shoemaker. So I'm just going back to the room, chill a bit, because I want to taste some local fufu. You also saw the video how they were preparing it. So that's a palm nut soup. So it's like the palm, which made the soup out of the palm. I mean, if you watch my previous videos, the palm trees from the house, that's where they make the soup from. So I'm still in Community 6. I'm not going to one today, but I just thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what happens or how they prepare local meals. I just had myself a nice coconut, and if you're in Ghana, why not stop and have this amazing coconut water. Where we're staying, this is the hotel, you know. The hotel is not bad. It's pretty amazing. It's a 2-star hotel. They have this gorgeous pool. You know, if you watch my videos, you actually see a whole room tour and a pool tour where I was trying to do a salmon, but I failed horribly. So I'll take you guys inside so that you can see how beautiful this hotel look like. So you can see I'm walking down to the reception. They have amazing reception. Here is a car park. There's a lot of space here if you want to park your car. They have a lot of security. They have a CCTV, so your safety is very, very important. And the pool is just down there. I think it's not open yet. So what I'll do is I will go to the reception and I'll show you guys how the reception look like. And this is our car. This car has been old, but you know, it still does the job. Take me everywhere. So I'm still maintaining it. Hopefully we can change it if you have some money. Maybe you want to donate towards our car. Feel free to chip in and click on the link in the description below and donate. Yeah, they also have COVID information here, so you can wash your hand, which I've already washed this morning. So I'll walk you guys inside so you can see how gorgeous the hotel look like. Look, the time right now is about 11:30. I'm going to get the shoe. It should cost me about 12 Ghana cedis. It's going to amend it because I bought these Versace sandals, but you know, it wasn't sewn properly. I was quite surprised using it here. It just got ripped off. So I'm going to make sure this guy amended it properly so that it can last me longer. Though behind me here is like a taxi rank. So if you're going to Community 5, Community 7, and the other side of the communities, you get a taxi from there. I'm just walking down to the roundabout to see if I could show you guys how the Community 6, Community 5 roundabout look like. I think I'm using the wrong side, so I need to probably get here and then show you guys. They also have a bar here. Let me get into the bar to see if I could get myself a local drink. So let's get into the bar. Good morning. Watch out, mommy, inside you. I'm Alomo. Alomo 1. And I Joy Daddy 1. So this is how a Ghanaian chop bar, a Ghanaian bar look like, you know, very cozy, where you get the drinks, you can relax, you can watch TV. There's something on the TV right now, but the time, like I said before, is about 11:30. You can get Alomo here, you can get Joy Daddy here, you can get Casapreco, you can get a lot of the stuff here. And I made a small YouTube video. Like, maybe I interview. So I just had my Alomo beaters. I'm going to get the shoe. Hopefully, I hope I finish my shoe. So as you can see here, this is cassava, plantain, and yam. So they're pounding it. So this is not neat fufu. This is not the machine fufu. This is like a proper, world-prepared Ghanaian local dish. So I hope you enjoy this video. I need to wear up the machine. You see, we go to be Accra and Ra. And yeah, them.
Business be also who started business here? Who started business here? Think future. Man, share. Time now, no. 10 years time, 20 years time, professional producer. Oh, and the same of us, one your mama show business man. We business said day, any that. Oh, and the actually go. Omo di kano. Business idea, no money. Too many business idea. Come on, business idea can there is no percent thing. I bet you do a bia. Another so.
Oh, British, Munya, you mind there? I still know that's so pretty. Most of them are so pretty. Okay. I'm telling you, not elite or also tonight, also tonight.
Blah, and you must have. And that's it. What do you like at all?
I is there over a beer, this you are.
What do you like at all? What do you like at all? What do you like at all? I saying, always, and I walk out. And I wish so. So, wish it's my reality, and yet, you might.
When are we so?
I always said, 71 and goes into one. I don't know who know the kind. And we'll be overtaking our own. We'll be overtaking our own. This was 2 more. 2 more. The same thing for all. But you flee. But you flee. I want in business. I
I'll put my mobile. Oh, the look down or that I
sitting there. Business idea. Business idea. And you what's that? They are there for money. You have within 1 month. If you see within 2 years, if you see you have to say successful. One minister, okay, my sacrifice now next 2 years, next 20 years. But me, I had the abuse. A sensible point for baby. Omun miss idea. Omun miss idea. And the same way, who was your business? Now we need business idea. So be your Nababia, or be your Nababia. Over bread, at the end of the day, Ebagu. Or we have a much. Come on, business idea can there is no percent thing. I bet you do a bia. Another so.
Oh, British, Munya, you mind there? I still know that's so pretty. Most of them are so pretty. Okay. I'm telling you, not elite or I always, and I walk out. And I wish so. So, wish it's my reality, and yet, you might. When are we so? I always said, 71 and goes into one. I don't know who know the kind. And we'll be overtaking our own. We'll be overtaking our own. This was 2 more. 2 more.
The same thing for all. I'm check. But you flee, but you flee. I want in business. I business idea. Business idea. And you they are there for money. You have within 1 month. If you see, a sensible point, baby, or win this idea. Or win this idea. And the same way, who was your business? Now we need business idea. So be your Nabia, or be your Nabia. Over bread, at the end of the day,
oh my god, guys, did you enjoy the full video? Please, if you do, let me know, because I'm happy to come to Ghana and create more content like this. And if you want to sponsor a trip like this, please do let me know. Click on the link and donate. You know, you could help. Your little pennies, like £1, $1, 1 UAE, any amount will put to a good use. So I got my shoes now. It was amended very professionally. So I'm going back to the room now to chill down to see if Jay wants to try this fufu with me.